Hi everyone, if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, you are welcome. In this channel, we teach people skills that can monetize. Before dashing into today's tutorial, please do well to subscribe, share, like and also comment. Today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make borderless frame by yourself. I am applying my gum. This gum I'm applying is a Vostick gum. After applying it on your board, you bring out your printed picture, place it on your board like the way I'm doing it now. You can use your clean cloth or your hanky to press the picture to the board the way I'm doing it now. Then bring out your scissors or your knife to trim out the excesses. This knife I'm using is not cooking knife. Then use it to trim out the excesses the way I'm doing it now. After that, you bring out your edge tape. The edge tape I'm using, I've already measured the side of the board. I will apply my Vostick glue on the edge tape. After applying my Vostick glue on the edge tape, then I will leave it for it to dry a little. I will apply my Vostick glue on the side of the board. As you can see, in the four corner side of the board, I will apply my Vostick glue in the four corner side of the board. This is my edge tape. I'll bring it out. I'll place it in the side of the board. Then after placing it, I'll be using my clean cloth to be pressing it on it. As I'm placing it, I'll be using my clean cloth. As I'm placing it, I'll be using my clean cloth to be pressing it to the board so that it will lap to the board. I'll bring out my scissors and cut out the excesses of the edge tape. So here is it. I'm using my scissors to cut out the excesses of the edge tape. I'll place my hook in the back of the frame so that I can hang it on the wall. If you have stayed to the end of this video, you have done well. Wow, look at the frame, looking more beautiful. Please do well to subscribe.